Hello, in this video we're gonna perform a mobile data speed test on Motorola Edge 50 Pro. So in this case I have 5G connection through the mobile data. We're gonna make sure that the Wi-Fi is turned off and the mobile data is on. And now we're gonna go to the speed test to see if the internet speed is actually pretty decent. So let's take a look. It's not really that impressive. At this moment we can reach slightly over 13 megabytes per second. Now let's see the upload. Upload is actually a bit faster, so that's a bit surprising as well. The ping is decent, we have 19 ping only in my case. And as you can see, the mobile data speed is not really that impressive. However, this could be the issue with my carrier or my SIM card or something similar to that. But as you can see, the download speed is not that good. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.